Packet Power. Last call to place bets. Julia Inaiza. All set now, ready to race. Race number 1. Anytime now, race number 1, upping up. Number 5, Barbie. And the race is on. Packet Power, don't fool your wife. And on the outside is Royal Kapupu. Packet Power by a length and a half. Royal Kapupu is running in second, moving up Niagara Boogie. Don't fool your wife. Julia Inaiza is running in fifth by the rallies. My name, John, rushing up in between runners is Jalapeno. Packet Power, Jalapeno. Niagara Boogies running by the rail. Don't fool your wife. And on the outside is Julia Inaiza, Royal Kapupu. And rounding the far turn, Packet Power by Hapalang Jalapeno is on the outside. Niagara Boogie running third by about 2 lengths. And here comes Julia Inaiza as they swing for home. Packet Power by a length and a half. Jalapeno is on the outside. Packet Power, Jalapeno is still running in second. And nearing the last 50 meters more to run. Packet Power, Jalapeno. But Packet Power by about 2 lengths. And finally, Packet Power, Jalapeno, Niagara Boogie, Julia Inaiza, and Don't Fool